Hi everyone. In this session we will discuss about back propagation algorithm. So the figure clearly showing you the network, right? So if you see from left to right, okay, in the forward direction, we will see one by one in detail. So I1, I2 are the input layers. I1, I2 are the input layers. H1, H2 are the hidden layers. Whereas O1, O2 are the output layers. Okay. Whereas target O1, target O2 are the desired output or expected output. Right. Again, we'll move back. So here, I1, I2 are the input units or input layers, whereas W1, W2, W3, W4 are the corresponding synaptic weights. Now, near H1, so you just see near H1. So beside near H1, we will calculate net H1. What is net H1? See what are the arrows coming towards H1. So I1 is coming, I2 is coming. Next, by this is bias. Okay. So net H1 is calculated as I1 into W1 plus I2 into W2 plus where 1 is the we are taking the value as 1 for bias. 1 into bias 1 B1. Okay. So what is net H1? Net H1 is nothing but I1 W1 plus I2 W2 plus 1 into B1. So we will get net H1. Okay. Similarly, net H2, we will calculate net H2. So net H2 is nothing but I1 W3 plus I2 W4 plus 1 into B1. So we will get net H1. Okay. So after that, we will get out H1. Out H1 is nothing but we have the formula. We have the formula for calculating out H1. Out H1 is nothing but 1 by 1 plus e power minus net H1. So out H1 equal to 1 by 1 plus e power minus net H1. So thereby we will calculate out H1 as well as out H2. After that, again near the output layer, again we have to calculate net O1. What is net O1? Net O1 is nothing but again out H1 into W5 plus out H2 into W6 plus 1 into B2, where B2 is nothing but bias. So 1 into B2. So we will get net O1. What is net O1? Out H1 into W5 plus out H2 into W6 plus 1 into B2. We will get net O1. Next, coming to net O2. Net O2 is also out H1 into W7 plus out H2 into W8 plus 1 into B2. We will get net O2. Similarly, we have to calculate out O1. So we have the formula for calculating out O1. Okay, the same formula we will use. Out O1 equal to 1 by 1 plus e power minus net O1. Similarly, for out O2 also we will use the same formula and we will get some value, right? Okay, so this is the actual output. Okay, out O1, out O2 is the actual output. We have to compare that with the target O1, target O2. These are the expected output. So the difference between those two is nothing but error. Okay, if we add these two errors, we will get total error. Okay, that we will see in detail. First, what we have to do? First, we are going to calculate net H1. See, from the above network, net H1 is nothing but I1 W1 plus I2 W2 plus B1 into 1, where B is the bias. We know I1, I2 are the input units, W1, W2 are the corresponding synaptic weights. Similarly, net H2 can also be calculated as I1 into W3 plus I2 into W4 plus B1 into 1, where B is the bias. So we will assume this as equation 2. Okay, first one as equation 1, second one as equation 2. From these, after calculating net H1 and net H2, now we have to compute out H1 and out H2. We have already discussed the formula for calculating out H1 is out H1 equal to 1 by 1 plus e power minus net H1. Similarly, out H2 equal to 1 by 1 plus e power minus net H2. So we will treat these two as equation 3 and equation 4. Similarly, we will calculate the value of net O1. As we have discussed, net O1 is nothing but W5 into out H1 plus W6 into out H2 plus B2 into 1. Similarly, net O2 equal to W7 into out H1 plus W8 into out H2 plus B2 into 1. So, we will treat these two as equation 5 and equation 6. So, from the above equations, from the above net to O1 and net to O2, now we are going to calculate out O1 and out O2. The formula is the same, out O1 equal to 1 by 1 plus e power minus net O1, and next out O2 equal to 1 by 1 plus e power minus net O2. So, we will treat these two as equation 7 and equation 8. Now, we have the expected output, that is nothing but target output. We have the target output, okay, and we have the calculated output. So target outputs are target O1 and target O2 are the expected output or desired output, whereas out O1 and out O2 are the actual output. Suppose if you want to identify EO1 is nothing but error at output O1 is calculated as 1 by 2 into target O1 minus out O1 whole square, where target O1 is the desired target or desired output. Output O1 is nothing but actual output what we got. Similarly, if you want to calculate the error at output O2, EO2 is nothing but error at output O2. So half target O2 minus output O2 whole square. So ET is nothing but total error. Capital E, capital T is nothing but total error. So it is nothing but error at output 1 plus error at output 2. Combiningly, we will get the total error. We will treat this as equation 9. So here we are performing the backward pass, because so what we are doing is now we got once you see the diagram, now we got the error. The actual output O1 target O1 is different. Similarly, out O2 target O2 is also different. So now what we have to do is we have to move backward and we have to adjust the weights of W5, W6, W7, W8, and now we have to calculate the output values. If we get the expected output and desired output as one and the same, that is actual output as well as target output as one and the same, we will stop. Otherwise, again we will move back and we have to update the weights of W1, W2, W3, W4 also. Okay, this process continues unless until the actual output and target output are one and the same. Okay, hope you have identified. So now here, so how to update the weights? Let us suppose we have shown one example. So update weights using gradient descent, which are predicted output to actual output. So updating the weights to get actual output. Let us suppose we are updating W5. So W5, how it has to be updated? The weight W5 has to be updated with respect to the total error. E total is nothing but total error. By keeping in view of the total error, based upon that we have to update the weight 5. So this can be written as like this. So dou E total by dou W5 equal to dou E total by dou out O1 into dou out O1 by dou net O1 into dou net O1 by dou W5. See, dou out O1 gets cancelled. So here dou out O1 gets cancelled. Dou net O1 out gets cancelled, and dou E total by dou W5 only remains. That's why this dou E total by dou W5 can be written as like this. Now what we have to do is we have to calculate dou E total by dou out O1 individually, dou out O1 by dou net O1. Again we have to calculate separately. Similarly, dou net O1 by dou W5 should also be calculated separately, and these values should be submitted here. Okay, right. So if you see here, dou E total by dou out O1 equal to, okay, so E total is nothing but the error. So here dou E total by dou out O1 is calculated as dou of E01 plus E02 by dou out O1. Why? Because dou E total, the total error is calculated as error at out O1 plus error at out O2. Okay, we will treat this as equation 11. Okay, so suppose if you expand, we know already the formula that EO1, error at output O1 is nothing but 1 by 2 into target O1 minus output O1 whole square. That was written here. Similarly, the error at output O2 is written as 1 by 2 into target O2 minus output O2 whole square. Okay, nothing but, so dou E total by dou out O1 equal to, so from this we will get, okay, so we have applied the differentiation on this expression, so we will get, so 1 by 2 into target O1 minus output O1 into minus 1 plus 0. So that is finally we will get dou E total by dou out O1 equal to minus target O1 minus output O1, and we will treat this as equation 12. So if you see, if you go back once, so here dou E total by dou W5 equal to, we will get the formula is dou E total by dou out O1. Now we have calculated this. Next, similarly we have to calculate for this one dou out, next dou net O1 by dou W5 we have to calculate. Okay, and those values we have to submit. So now we got 12th equation. Similarly, next dou out O1 by dou net O1 is calculated as 1 by dou net O1 of 1 by 1 plus e power minus net O1. Why? Because we have the formula out O1 is nothing but 1 by 1 plus e power minus net O1. That's why we have written this. Instead of out O1, we have written 1 by 1 plus e power minus net O1. So here let us assume that net O1 is x. So 1 by dou x into 1 by 1 plus e power minus x. So the same, how we will get? So 1 by dou x of 1 by 1 plus e power minus x. So if you apply the differentiation, finally we will get this 1 by, so this 1 by 1 plus e power minus x. Let us suppose this is x, 1 by x can be written as x to the power minus 1. Similarly, we have written 1 by 1 plus e power minus x as 1 plus e power minus x whole to the power minus 1. Okay. Now what we are doing is, but now we are applying differentiation on this. So we will get minus 1 into 1 plus e power minus x into minus 1 into minus 1 into e power minus x. So finally we will get 1 plus e power minus x whole to the power minus 2 into e power minus x. So finally we will get e to the power minus x by 1 plus e power minus x whole square. Okay. So that, now that if we, yeah, that can be written as 1 by 1 plus e power minus x into 1 by 1 plus e power minus x into e power minus x. So that can be written as like this, 1 by 1 plus e power minus x. 1 by 1 plus e power minus x is nothing but out O1. Okay. So 1 minus, so instead of this we can write out O1. So out O1 star 1 minus out O1, since out O1 equal to 1 by 1 plus e power minus x. So we got the next one, that is we will treat this as equation 13. So next we will get, we have to calculate the next one. So dou net O1 by dou W5 equal to dou by dou W5 of W5 into out H1 plus W6 into out H2 plus B2 into 1. So by applying this differential equation on this, we will get out H1. We will treat this as equation 14. So this is the actual formula, dou E total by dou W5 equal to dou E total by dou out O1 into dou out O1 by dou net O1 into dou net O1 by dou W5. We have to substitute, this is equation 12, equation 13, equation 14 we have to apply. So from equation 12 we got minus of target O1 minus output O1. From equation 13 we got out O1 into 1 minus out O1. From equation 14 we got out H1. Okay, we have substituted those values from equation 12, 13, 14. So finally, after calculating dou E total by dou W5, update weight W5. After calculating this value, yes, this is the value. Okay, we updated the weight W5. So now you update the weight W5 as like this, W5 plus. Okay, W5 plus means updated value. W5 is the old weight value. W5 plus is the new weight value, updated value, as W5 old weight minus neta learning rate into dou E total by dou W5, where neta is the learning rate, or we can also call it as step rate. Okay, similarly we have to update all the weights as W6 as W6 plus, W1 as W1 plus, W2 as W2 plus. Okay, now with the updated values, again we have to calculate the total error. Okay, we have to calculate the total error. Total error ET is nothing but error at output O1 plus error at output O2. Okay, error at output O1 will be based upon the target O1. Okay, error at output O2 is based upon the difference based upon the value of target O2. Okay, thereby we will calculate the total error, and we will keep on repeating this unless until the total error is almost equal to 0. Okay, so this is about back propagation algorithm. Okay, hope you have understood it. Thank you.